Zarali Secretary. Just come.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we had some practice. We here at the Messina Darts Club. We introduced the darts to the youth here in Messina. Now it's the official launch of the Messina Darts Club that we're about to do the launch and welcome them into our darts fraternity.
So, gents, just before we go to lunch, let's do the most important thing of the day. From the corporate side, we'd like to welcome Messina Darts Club on our side. This is the committee, interim committee for Messina Darts Club at this stage. Guys, all the best. Like I said this morning also in my speech, you are welcome to contact me at any time. We'll contact Mr. Mafiki. Go forward and upwards. Don't let small things and small challenges set you back. Pick up a phone and we see where we can assist. All the best to you guys, and I believe that you will take this and make it really good. Like I said this morning, we strive for perfection, but that's not guaranteed. But the support from Popo is guaranteed. All the best for now. I would advise you to join with the association, which will be at this stage in Sunday. We will see how we can assist you to get you guys there, and also for them to come and visit you once or twice, just for the exposure. There onwards, at the end of the year, all the admin is in order. You can take it to the Limpopo AGM, where we will accept you as an association. And also, I can introduce you on next year on the NEC with Darts South Africa, where they will take you to the AGM of Darts South Africa, where you can also be accepted there, and you can start participating in the national championships. From my side, you all, please take it forward. Always, the sport comes first. Darts doesn't owe you nothing. It's your choice to play darts, and it's a good choice. Take it forward, be disciplined. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Okay, from my side, on behalf of Darts South Africa, let me congratulate you. Congratulate Benny on all the hard work that he put in to get this wonderful group of players together to take darts forward in the Messina. This is the interim committee. Benny is the chairperson of the interim, and I would like Benny to introduce the committee to the members so that everybody knows who are the members, who is the leadership of the organization. And after that, we will then give Benny 3 darts to open the club officially as Messina Darts Club, which will be affiliated for now with the Janine Darts Association until they are able to stand on their own feet and become the Messina Darts Association. But for now, welcome into the midst of Darts South Africa. I hope you're going to have a lovely journey with us. You're going to enjoy the benefits of being members of Darts South Africa, but most of all, you enjoy the game of darts for relaxation, meet new people, friends and everything. So all of the best for your future. Please introduce your committee to us.
Thank you. I think Mr. Mohan is the chairperson.
Oh, he's the chairperson. My bad, sorry.
So, I'm the chairperson of the Messina Darts Club, Mr. Mawanisi. We have Benny here, he's the coordinator. Mr. Nube here, he is our treasurer. And then Mr. Charo, this one is our secretary.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Alright, just please inform the viewers while we're live on Facebook. anybody that stays in the Messina area or so, what nights are you practicing? How can they get in touch with you? If there's people, anybody watching that want to come and join you guys, just give us where are you playing, your address, what nights, please.
So this is Messina Darts Club. We are live on social media platforms, different platforms, Facebook. You can also find us on WhatsApp because we do promote the club through these platforms. We're in Messina here, Royal Kitchen. You can contact me, the chairperson. You can contact Mr. Benny here, the coordinator, Mr. Chato here, and Mr. Nuri. And thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much, and welcome to our fraternity. You would like to say something?
Sorry, we forgot one member of our interim leadership. He's part of the media.
Oh, he's part of the media. He's here behind the scenes. Maybe you can just go there that we can see who's the media person. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Messina Darts committee, the interim committee that will take this club forward, and all of the best for you. All right, Benny, or let's give it to the chairperson. Sorry, the chairperson will take 3 darts and he will officially open the club here. Let's see, he will throw his 3 darts to officially open the Messina Darts Club. All right, let's have a look. There's the chairperson officially opening the club. Yeah. Well done. Messina Darts Club is officially launched. All right, can I get a nice group photo of everybody here together in front, please? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Messina Darts Club that's now officially established here at the Messina Darts. So please, if you're in the vicinity and you want to come and join, we have some educators here as well. We had the Sports Council that was here, the support of the Sports Council as well. So well done to everyone.